Hello everybody, in today's video I wanted to show you what I got in the grab bags from eBay. I opened one of them, as you can see it's a bit of junk silver from United States and some cents. Something was supposed to be a gold and some stones, which I think is a pieces of glass. So I opened one, as I said, that flakes, supposed to be 24 karat gold. I'm gonna test it. I'm actually gonna melt them and then test it. They came in the thing like that. That is 0.4 gram. And I have two more to open, so you can see exactly what's inside them. I believe that will be the same crap as is here. So I think I pissed away $100 on those, and for sure I'm not gonna buy any more grab bags from eBay. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, again some crap thing here. This those flakes. And let's see. Cents. Let's see how much silver in that. It's exactly the same. Or no, still sand. Even less in this one. What's that? Can't put the date on it. Okay. Here's another one. Those grab bags were $30 few dollars each plus delivery. They cost us about $120 for 3 of them. So that's empty. Again, some stones. The flakes, and in here junk silver. Mercury diamond. This one's good condition. No, so that's still sand. Yeah. So in that one, okay, it's even less junk silver. Oh yeah, so I got ripped off. What I'm gonna do is melt that one. As I measured this one had 0.4 gram, and I will check if that's a gold with the chemical tester. So that it would be it. I will record the video of testing that gold. Thank you for watching, and be aware of ripoffs which are on the net. Bye bye.